What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about my fifth dividend payment from my ETF with Vanguard. It's the Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF, ticker symbol VYM. Not quite the most exciting dividend payment that I've gotten because actually my dividend payment went down, and I think that has a lot to do with some of the companies that are involved in this particular ETF. So we're going to take a look, but either way, I'm still going to share with you my fifth dividend payment with VYM, which is Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to the stock market, I like to always tell you guys, listen, not a guru, not a pro, none of that, just an average guy showing you my journey, showing you what's possible, showing you different ways to make money in the stock market, and I'm just sharing with you my own experience, okay? So right now, you're seeing on the screen my current portfolio is valued at $301,762. This is live right now, so of course that amount is going to fluctuate as the video is going on. I have probably investments with 12 different, not necessarily 12 different companies. Some are companies and some are ETFs. Okay, so probably 12 different things that I have my current portfolio. So this $301 you see is representative of that. Apple and Tesla are the majority of my portfolio, and those two companies drive my portfolio up and down every day because that's what happens with the stock market. Every day it goes all over the place. All right, so what I want to go ahead and show you right now is VYM right here. You see on the screen, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. Currently, right now, is trading for $1,112.87. It's currently in after hours right now. My overall average cost per share is $90.58. This is when I'm kicking myself for not knowing better and spending more money or investing more money with VYM. I only have my entire market value right now is $1,330, which is not a lot, clearly, but look at this. My total return, I'm up 24%, and because I only have $1,000 and change invested with VYM, being up 24% only happens to be $262.76. Now, you have to keep that in mind, okay? 24%, being up 24% is incredibly huge. It's bigger when you have more money involved. Just like being down 24%. Being down 24% when you have $100 invested, you're only down $24. No big deal, right? But when you have $100,000 invested and you're down 24%, you'd be down $24,000, and that would taste a little different. So the same is true here, right? Like I'm up 24%. But because I don't have that much money invested, it's only $262, but that's okay. I will take it. Green is green. You know what I mean? So I'm going to scroll down here. And so in this particular ETF, the top 10 holdings, of course, you have Johnson & Johnson, JP Morgan Chase, Procter & Gamble, Home Depot, ExxonMobil, Bank of America, Chevron, Pfizer, AbbVie, and Coca-Cola. Now, all of these companies should be companies that you know, and it's actually quite interesting to see this top 10 holding because literally this is like giving you the formula or the key to the test. This is literally the answers. You could invest in these companies individually and you'd be doing good. You know what I mean? Like these are solid companies in which to invest. And out of these companies here, I have ExxonMobil. Well, I have all of them listed because I have this ETF, but I should have a bigger position. And so I have ExxonMobil as a single investment as far as I'm invested in Exxon, not just this particular ETF. All right. So these are the top 10 holdings. And these are solid companies as far as paying dividends. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and show you here that I did get 5 dividend payments. Okay. So as you can see here, March 26, 2021 was my first dividend payment. At that particular time, they were paying 65 cents per share. Okay. And then, of course, you see another dividend payment June 24th, which happens to be my birthday, 2021. Another dividend payment in September, another dividend payment in December. That's 4. Okay. And then the most recent is March 24th, 2022. And at that particular time, they're paying 66 cents per share. Okay. In regards to I'm sorry, that's not correct. Let me see. This is a dividend, right? Okay, yeah, this is a dividend. I thought it was a like that I bought. Okay, let me make sure it's on dividends. Cool. So as you can see here, it's a little disappointing, right? So the very first dividend payment, $7.47, and they're paying 65 cents at that particular time, and then you see the dividend payment in December was higher, right? 93 cents per share. You know what I mean? Let's go. That's beautiful. And then in March, they're paying 66 cents per share. So that's why the payment is different. You see $10.91 here. We were doing good. And then you see in March, $7.76. So it's kind of, anticlimactic, but it's not like I have a lot of money invested with VYM. And once again, I'm kicking myself about that because I would have a greater return because, if I have more money. Once again, if I had $10,000, 24% of $10,000 would be $2,400. That would be a lot more pleasing to look at instead of my 24% here, which is $262. Now, please don't misunderstand. I'm not complaining, okay? But I'm just showing you that a win is a win is a win. When you're playing with little money or less money in the stock market, you're not going to be able to really appreciate the fact that you're up 24%. You know what I mean? Because if you're only investing $100 and you're up 24%, okay, so now your account is valued at $124. That's not super duper exciting, but it should be because being up 24% is incredible. And chances are, if you had $100 sitting in your bank account, you're not going to get a 24% return on that in 2 years, in 10 years, in 50 years, probably, Well, no, probably not. I guess it's possible, but I don't think so. Especially right now, these freaking rates in regards to bank accounts or money market account or anything like that is definitely all the way down. Okay, but I love sharing with you guys my experience and kind of what's possible, and that's exactly what I wanted to do in this particular video, talking about VYM. I think it's a pretty solid ETF in which to invest. Of course, I should always be shoveling money into it, but because I have quite a bit of money in the market, I'm trying to stand still a little bit because it's just always quite interesting to be shoveling money into the stock market. Okay, it's not like it's a bad idea. Like, that's what you should absolutely do. But I think I have like $254,000, and I can show you guys that here. So on the screen, I clicked on all. So since May of 2020, I've invested $254,125.30. Okay, my overall return, I don't count back here in 2016 and 2017 when I didn't know what I was doing. I was down $4,399, and then I, took all my money out. I didn't do anything in the stock market for like 3 years, and then I started to reinvest back in May of 2020. So overall, I can't complain. I'm up $43,000. That's always going to be exciting, especially since I started to really invest in May 2020. It's currently April 2022. So $40,000 in basically 2 years. Once again, there's nothing to complain about. All right, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.